Hi, I am MD Abdul Rahaman mondal from BSc 5th semester Chemistry Honours. Now, I am presenting a seminar on the topic about ferrocene. The index is given about what is the subject in this seminar. So, let's start. Ferrocene is actually a metallocene or sandwich compound. It is a pi-bonded general class organometallic compound. The latter class is also called pi-type sandwich compound. The simple molecular formulation of ferrocene is shown in the figure. How ferrocene is made? That's history of ferrocene. Ferrocene is the first known metallocene was discovered by accident independently by two groups. The group of Keely and Fafson made an attempt to synthesize fulvalin by oxidation of the cyclopentadienyl Grignard reagent. The synthesis of fulvalin was unsuccessful, but a stable orange compound was isolated, which was subsequently characterized and named ferrocene. Structure and bonding. Keely and Fafson proposed the resonating structure, which showed partial ionic bonding and localized sigma bonding of iron to the two methylenic carbon atoms. However, Wilkinson and Corker soon showed from IR spectrum that there was only one CH staging frequency, indicating equivalence of all the CH bonds. In order to account for this equivalence with respect to iron, they proposed a pentagonal prism such as that sandwich structure. There are many preparations of ferrocene, but here is one shown. Direct reaction with cyclopentadiene is also possible in presence of strong organic base. The reaction is shown in the properties of ferrocene. Ferrocene is an air-stable orange solid with a camphor-like water. As expected for a symmetric uncharged species, ferrocene is soluble in normal organic solvents such as benzene, but it is insoluble in water. It is stable to temperatures as high as 400 degrees Celsius. Ferrocene readily sublimes, especially upon heating in a vacuum. Its vapor pressure is about 1 Pascal at 25 degrees Celsius. Reaction of ferrocene. Ferrocene undergoes many reactions characteristic of aromatic compounds, enabling the preparation of substituted derivatives. A common undergraduate experiment is the Fidelkraft's reaction of ferrocene with acetic anhydride in the presence of phosphoric acid as a catalyst. Under condition for a Mannich reaction, ferrocene gives an dimethyl amino methyl ferrocene. Here the reaction of ferrocene is shown. How the reaction is proceed. Next slide gives information. Here this slide gives information how the reaction proceeds and forms product. At first, protonation of ferrocene allows isolation of Cp to FeS PF6 in the presence of aluminum chloride. Me2 NPCl2 and ferrocene react to give ferrocenyl dichlorophosphin, whereas treatment with phenyl dichlorophosphin under similar conditions forms para-para diferrocenyl paraphenyl phosphine. Ferrocene reacts with P4S10 forms a diferrocenyl diphosphatine disulfide. Application of ferrocene. Ferrocene and its numerous derivatives have no large scale application, but have many nice uses that exploit the unusual structure as ligand scaffolds, pharmaceutical candidates, robustness, anti-knock formulations, precursor to material, and redox, that means reagents and redox standards. At the end, I will arrive at the conclusion of this seminar. Ferrocene has generated a great variety of liquid crystalline materials that display rich mesomorphism. This is mainly due to the versatile synthetic chemistry that can be carried out with this compound. At last, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my chemistry professor Abhishek Shah for his able guidance and support in completing my seminar. Thank you to all.